Chapter 4, sum number 2. From the following informations, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years. Purchases of average profit of last 4 years. Year result amount 2015 profit 5,000, 2016 profit 8,000, 2017 loss 3,000, 2018 profit 6,000. Profit எல்லாம் add பண்ணணும், loss subtract பண்ண average profit calculate பண்ணணும். எப்படி sum போடுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 2ல average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Average profit 5,000 plus 8,000 minus 3,000. The 3,000 is the loss plus 6,000 divided by 4. The 5,000, 8,000, 6,000 add பண்ணி minus 3,000 subtract பண்ண வர answer 16,000 divided by 4. 4 ஆல divide பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு 4,000 கிடைக்கும். இதுதான் average profit. இந்த average profit வச்சு goodwill calculate பண்ணணும். Goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchases. Average profit is 4,000. Number of year of purchases is 3 years. 4,000 into 3, 12,000. The 12,000 goodwill. Goodwill is rupees 12,000. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you.